We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Christmas holiday drink.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
Totally delicious.
making angels in the sand.
Hi lovelies! Welcome to my Christmas Decorate With Me Part 1. I am so excited to show you the winter wonderland I'm creating in my home this year. Have you started decorating for Christmas yet? If you have, what have you decorated so far or where? And if you haven't, when are you starting decorating for Christmas? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. In today's video, I'm decorating everywhere downstairs, inside and outside. I am so in love with my Christmas decor this year. Most of it's new and it's all budget friendly. I'm sharing my quick and easy virgin strawberry daiquiri mocktail recipe that I love. And at the end of today's video, I'm baking yummy vegan gingerbread men that are packed with protein and are refined sugar-free. So pretty healthy as a cookie goes. The pups saw me in my new Christmas PJs and they wanted their Christmas outfit done. Jessie loves clothes. I love that my poinsettia is now in place. My mum and I have a tradition of buying each other a poinsettia each year. This year's poinsettia is so stunning. Mind, I'm not the most green of thumb. I think it'll be a bit of a Christmas miracle if it lasts throughout December. So if you do have any tips for keeping my poinsettia alive, I'd love to hear them. With my Christmas decor, I'm starting with all of my fabrics. I love cushion covers and floor mats. You can totally change the look of a room by swapping your cushion covers, and that's so cheap. They're easy to remove and wash too. With my 4 gorgeous fur babies, I wash everything really regularly to keep the house smelling fabulously fresh and clean.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
If there's a pile of soft cushions, you will always find my sweet fur baby Boo Boo. And he always wants a belly rub, a cuddle and a kiss. We found Boo Boo when he was super tiny at around 7 to 10 days old on a road in the middle of nowhere. So he's used to a ton of affection from being so small.
Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy. But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall.
I love the snowflake detail on all these cushions. It's so beautiful. The red and the fluffy white cushions with the sequins are for the 3 sofas downstairs, and the super soft grey, like Boo Boo has his head on right now, and the burgundy that I'm fitting are for our bedroom upstairs.
I might be crazy, but I think you feel it.
When I buy decor, I buy what I fall in love with. I can't believe how much red I've chosen to decorate with, but I think it's worked amazingly well with my colour schemes across my home. What colours are you decorating with this year? Or do you have different themes and different colours in each room? I'd love to know how you decorate or what your chosen style is this year. Clearly my signature colour for Christmas is red, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what colour or what theme you're choosing for your Christmas this year in the comments below.
Is it just your eyes that have lit something?
We've had this Santa hat bed for years. I was so chuffed that Phoebe's snuggle bed fit perfectly inside. Do you have anything special for your fur babies, like beds for over Christmas time?
Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
I wanted signature Christmas pieces for either side of my hob. This cute snowman cookie jar I thought would be perfect to hide my fresh garlic and ginger that sit by the side of my hob. He's worked out fabulously, he looks super cute, and he's doing a great job. I found this suave soldier for the opposite side of the hob. He is perfect to add 3 types of dog treats to, and it's so handy having the dog treats on the countertop. If you have pups, you know pouring the dog treats brings all the pups to the kitchen. How can you say no to 4 fur babies trying to sit so smart?
To to share this holiday.
I love to change all of my hand towels and my tea towels in the kitchen each season. This major swap of colour changes the look and the feel of the kitchen for buttons.
Love in this winterland, could we fall in love?
Lovelies, I need your help. I got the red mat with the Christmas tree on for the kitchen, but as you can see, I think it's too much red. Or is it just because it's not December yet, I think it's too much red? Which would you choose for my kitchen? The snowman, the ho-ho-ho, or the red with the Christmas tree? Let me know what you think is best for the most used room in my house. The other two will go in the bathrooms upstairs, so they won't go to waste, but what works best do you think in my kitchen? I went for my snowman. You can see I've got a little thing for snowmen. So let me know, what would you choose for my kitchen? I'd love a hand on this one. For now, the snowman will stay. To decorate today, I wanted to make a virgin strawberry daiquiri so I can sip it all day long as I decorate. It's a really special, pretty drink. It's really refreshing. It's pretty healthy. The naughtiest ingredient is maple syrup. Otherwise, it's really healthy. Unless you lick the glass, of course, and put sugar on the glass. So tasty, so refreshing. A great drink to make for children, people who drink alcohol, and for pregnant people. Also, if you want a special drink all day long, say on Christmas Day, but you don't want to get tipsy, make a mocktail. I'll quickly show you how to make it now, and then we'll get back to decorating. Oh, next time in Decorate Part 2, I'll show my virgin mojito I love going. Tip though, get a wider straw if you can. I'll show you how to make it. It is seriously simple and really quick. And you can have it in the freezer. So if guests just turn up, you can knock it up in seconds. Strawberry daiquiri has always been my favourite, and it requires so few ingredients. To dress the glass, I make 2 shallow bowls, one with a little water and one with grainy sugar. Dip the lip of the glass into the water and then into the sugar to make a beautiful sugar rim. You can do this part in advance, it'll set lovely. Pretty, right? For a huge glass like mine, you want 4 cups frozen strawberries, 2 cups of sparkling water, the juice of 2 small lemons or a big one, or you can get your hands on some limes, use lime. Whiz it up in your blender and then add maple syrup to taste. I used 3 tablespoons and I found that was perfect for me. Now to make this glass pretty for Christmas, I'm threading one of these sparkly snowflakes through a slice of lemon I've just slit. Perfect. Oh, and add a straw. A wide one if you have one. I love bright, warm, pretty lights in winter. They make me happy on a gloomy day or a dark night. So I add lights into the fireplace. They're gold baubles and they make the fireplace glow so warm and so cozy.
What's happened to me from July up till now?
If you're enjoying today's video, please hit that like button. The more likes I get, the more my channel can grow and I can make more videos each week, which I'd love to do in 2022. So hit that like button.
So it's true. I'm so glad you feel it.
It's stocking time! I fell in love with these big tartan stockings. Oh yes, with snowflake detail. For me and my husband. And then, round the corner in the Christmas tree ornament section, I found these matching tiny ones. How super sweet for the fur babies. You'll see me figuring out how they should sit on the fireplace. I haven't found any of those clever stocking holder weights that I see folk in the US with. So, unfortunately, canvas hanging tape had to do, which is not perfect, but it is doing the job. Don't worry, just because the puppy's stockings are tiny doesn't mean they're getting nothing for Christmas. They share a big Santa sack to open on Christmas Day with new toys and treats. I love how this Christmas decor is coming together in my living room, but what do you think? Let me know, please.
Oh, it's true, this part of the year has something.
I'm a big fan of floor mats to change the colour scheme per season. I use bath mats as they stick to the floor great. With 16 paws, mats by the door are a good friend of mine. This red with the gold flecks is stunning, and it was only a few euros. They're great quality. I'll have them for years, perhaps a decade.
Walking around, you and me, Christmas time's got the best of me, then it starts.
I still need to add decor to the top of the mantelpiece. If you have any bright ideas, do share them. This snuggle blanket was an amazing find. I feel it pulls the living room together lovely. I do wish I'd gotten two though.
Falling in love.
When I choose new decor, I only choose pieces that I truly fall in love with. Each piece makes me smile so much. Then placing the new decor, I have to try options to work out what will look best where. Have you bought any new decor this year? If you have, what have you bought that you love? Or if you haven't, what is your very favourite piece that you love to see every year? The decor you put out that always makes you smile. Let me know in the comments your favourite piece.
'Cause we're falling in love.
One of Phoebe's favourite hangouts is under this coffee table on this duvet. So at Christmas time, I cover it up with this bright, gorgeous, fluffy blanket and it brightens the corner up beautifully. I'm thinking my Christmas tree is going to sit on the top of this coffee table in the corner. Until then, these two gorgeous snowmen can brighten up my corner. I've thought and thought where my tree should go this year, with the 4 fur babies that love to do zoomies several times a day. And my tree will be up till after Easter. I think this corner will be the best place for it, so I really hope it's going to work. I'll be putting it up in the next video. Oh, if you're new to my channel, I like to keep my tree up with the fairy lights on all winter long. The decor will change often. Subscribe and you'll see how it changes throughout early 2022.
'Cause all I want is to spend.
I think I'm becoming a gnome addict. I can't get enough of these precious little guys. I just think they're so adorable. These big dudes are less than €10. Are you also a gnome addict? Do you have a gnome obsession? No, if you do, let me know, because I'm obsessed with them.
As long as I spend this day with you.
My pups are in shock. They are not impressed. Winter has come to Cyprus. We've had our first rain since April. And I'm back on paw cleaning duty after the heavy rain.
What we're gonna do, I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. Just want.
If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe today. My community is growing with the most sweet, incredibly hardworking homemakers. Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from today. I love to know where in the world my viewers are watching from. I'm a bit of a geography geek. Oh, and tell me, are you feeling Christmassy yet?
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
This downstairs bathroom is the final area inside I'm working on today. Then we're decorating outside. In my next Decorate With Me, I'm decorating my staircase, my bedroom, bathrooms upstairs, putting my tree up. I've got so much gorgeous new pieces. I'm really excited for part 2. I'll be doing tablescapes and centerpieces, adding finishing touches everywhere. I'm sharing a new mocktail recipe I love and baking either vegan brownies or cookies. I'm not quite sure on that one yet. If you're not already following me on Instagram, I share lots of recipes and home decor, the pups, workout motivation. I'm Sunshine Kirsty1, so go add me. We moved into this home where we moved country 3 years ago. Every Christmas since then, I've wanted to decorate this row of Christmas trees. Every Christmas. I've wanted to decorate these evergreen conifers. Now I finally am. You'll have to tell me what you think. I'm adding these large candy canes and connecting them with 20 meters of warm gold solar fairy lights.
It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna say
I should have trimmed the conifer row so the candy canes stood out more and were more noticeable. Do you think I should add some large plastic baubles? The candy canes were really cheap. But I am reluctant to spend more on this hedge because this time next year we'll hopefully have moved to a different European country. And I very much doubt I'm going to have a row of Christmas trees. I love it. That's what counts.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by.
How do you decorate your outside space? What do you love to decorate with? I love lights. I'd love to hear how you decorate your outside. I got my first ever outside reindeer that lights up beautifully. She is so elegant and bright. I'll show her in part 2. I've always wanted one. To my front door, I'm adding this gorgeous wreath with the snow detail and the berries and the pine cones. It's stunning. I always add my wreaths with suction hooks. They work perfectly for me.
My winter wonderland. No.
And it's lost a little golden sparkle from last year, but I love this jingle all the way front door mat. And that's us done decorating today. Now it's time to do some Christmas baking. I love baking at Christmas. Time to make delicious vegan gingerbread cookies, and they're pretty healthy. I've used oat flour and chickpea flour, so it's even got protein in there. And I've used no refined sugars. It's maple syrup and it is coconut sugar and vanilla to flavour everything. The icing sugar is coconut sugar, a little vegan margarine, vanilla flavour, and to thicken it, a little corn flour. So I'm going to get these babies iced up now and I'll show you how to make them. They seriously smell amazing and they're so delicious. These are the ingredients you need to make your gingerbread men. Take a photograph on your tablet or phone to save for later. To my large mixing bowl, I'm adding 2.5 cups of oat flour, 1 cup of chickpea flour for protein and stickiness, 1 tablespoon of ground chia seeds. Buy them ground if you can. I whizzed mine up in my herb grinder. The pestle and mortar isn't as effective. 3 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, half a cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of water, mixing to make my dough. I forgot the margarine, 1/4 cup of vegan margarine. I've never seen vegan butter in Cyprus. Mix for a couple of minutes to make your gorgeous gingerbread dough. This smells amazing. It smells so much like Christmas. It smells like ginger and cinnamon. It's gorgeous. I'm going to put it in the freezer for half an hour to stiffen up, or you can put it in the fridge for an hour to stiffen up. Then I can roll it. I'll preheat my oven and we can make the gingerbread. My oven is heated to about 180 degrees centigrade and my dough is nice and firm and ready. I floured my worktop and my dough, so it's not sticky if you use enough flour on your dough. I rolled my dough to around 8mm thick and used my gingerbread men cookie cutters. If you get the consistency of the dough perfect, they're easy to cut. These gingerbread men were such a massive hit in my household. I'm making about 3 times this size tomorrow to give out to family and neighbours. I added all of my gingerbread men to my grease-proof paper on my baking tray and cooked them in the oven for 10 minutes exactly. I checked them carefully for the final 2 minutes. You want them a little bit soft, a little bit bread-like, not crisp. And if you haven't already, please do like this video and subscribe for loads of delicious, healthy vegan recipes. To decorate these gorgeous gingerbread men, I used 1 cup of coconut sugar, carefully mixed in 1 tablespoon of vegan margarine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken it. I know I need to work on my decoration skills. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel a little more Christmassy now. Make sure your notifications are turned on, you've liked and subscribed. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Hope you have a lovely Christmassy day. Bye, lovelies.